Hello everyone, welcome to HeyTech Programming and welcome to VSCode Online. You can now enjoy the performant editing experience of Pylance in the browser via github.dev. The best way to start with github.dev is to pick up a GitHub repo and change its URL to github.dev at the beginning of the link. Now, Microsoft added support for core editing features such as semantic highlighting, autocomplete, syntax error recognition, code navigation, outline support, function signature help, and contextual document highlighting. Although running Python isn't yet supported in the browser, you can still do so using the VSCode Python extension. So let's go ahead and try this. Let's head. Now you will need to head to github.com and then go to your own account. Now you will need an account for this. If you don't have an account, sign in or sign up. And then you will need to fork a copy of this repository right here, Python projects for beginners, and then sign in before you fork the copy, and then type in vscode.dev/github.com. Now wait for it to load. Granted permission, click on continue and wait for it to load. Now it's going to ask you to install some extensions. Make sure that you install them. Install anyway, and make sure that you install Python and click on install. Now go back to the files, check the first one, print hello VSCode, and execute. It takes a little bit of time at first, but then it becomes fully functional after that. So wait for it to load. This is very simple code, and there you have it, fully functional code. Now let's get to this repository and go all the way to the end and type in, let's try this. So we have a list of temperatures we want to convert to Fahrenheit. So for I in range length of temps of I is equal to, and then 9 divided by 5 times temps, like so, plus 32, then print temps. Now it's going to work in less than a second, and as you can see, it's fully functional. Now some new features will be added to this extension, and it's going to recognize things like input functions soon, but now it's not fully supported yet, so it still needs to be improved. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.